In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Base44 database to Supabase. We'll walk through the basic process of exporting your data from Base44 and then bringing it into Supabase. This is a straightforward workflow, and once you understand the path, you can repeat it for as many tables as you need. First, go to Base44 and sign in to your workspace. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on All Apps. This will show you the projects available in your workspace, so you can choose the one that contains the database you want to move. Next, select and open the project you want to work with. Make sure you're opening the correct app before exporting anything, especially if you manage multiple projects with similar names. Taking a second to verify this now can save time later. After the project opens, click on Dashboard. From there, go to the Data section. This is where Base44 stores the tables connected to your app, and it's the area you'll use to export your records. Once you're in Data, select the table you want to export. If your project has several tables, move carefully and choose the one you want to migrate first. It's often easiest to work one table at a time, so you can keep the import process organized on the Supabase side. With the table open, click on the three dots to open the Table Options menu. In that menu, click Export. This will download the data from that specific table, so you can use it outside of Base44. Depending on the size of the table, the export may take a moment, so just wait for the file to finish downloading before moving on. After exporting the table, open your Supabase account. Go to the project where you want this data to live and prepare to import the exported file. At this stage, it's a good idea to confirm that the destination table in Supabase matches the structure you expect. That helps reduce issues with column mismatches or formatting during import. Then import the data into Supabase, upload the exported file into the appropriate table, and complete the import process. If you're migrating more than one table, repeat the same flow back in Base44. Choose the next table, open the menu, export it, and then import it into Supabase. That's it. You've successfully moved your Base44 data into Supabase by exporting table data from Base44 and importing it into your Supabase project. Take your time, double check each table as you go, and your migration will be much smoother.